after I did all of that female building up tonight. Set them up and knock them down. We're gonna play a little game called Sound Effects. I'd like to invite Dylan and Denny up here. Give them a hand. Now this game involves an audience member, so the bravest one to put their hand up is coming up. Right over there in the Mickey sweater. Go ahead and hop on up there. Dylan, do me a favor. Enter the microphone.
What is on?
I have no idea. I've never seen that before in my life. All right. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
I'm Kirsten.
Kirsten, everybody. Denny and Dylan are going to perform a scene, and Kirsten had no idea she was going to do this, but she's going to provide all of the sound effects for that scene. And let's get a relationship. How about just shout out a relationship?
Dr. Patient.
Dr. Patient, we're not going to say who's who, that's up to you guys. So,
It can't be doctors.
Not good. Yeah. Alrighty, and again, Kirsten's going to provide all the sound effects whenever you're ready.
Oh, I'm so glad you're here. I've been waiting in your room for the past hour and a half.
I am a very busy female doctor. Let me open this file cabinet. I hope none of my glass buttons pop open. So, just so you know. Shh. Oh, the window. I spent in Asia for a while. They believe that an invigorating wind can blow out disease. I cover all my bases.
Sorry, I'm very hungry.
I actually have a bologna sandwich in here. I know it's unorthodox, but you know, I don't want my patient to have low blood sugar, so.
Oh, thank you.
It's in tin foil. You just, wow. It's funny, it makes so much noise when we wound it up.
Yeah, I took all the noise out of it. I'm going to see if I can make it into that trash can all the way over there. I missed. I need to go faster. It seems unorthodox for a doctor who is so concerned with health to give me a sandwich full of carbohydrates and processed meat. But I'm going to eat it anyway. Because you're the doctor, you know better.
Excuse me, that was disgusting. Let me show you how to eat a sandwich with manners. Oh, hang on.
Sorry, you think that was disgusting? Alright, now I have 2 reasons to see you today.
Listen, I just want to show you, if you chew your food slowly, this is a secret tutorial. A lot of my male patients come in and guzzle their food. This is the proper way to eat. Sorry, my harmonica was in there.
You left your kazoo in there also. It's shocking. It's weird that I'm the patient. I'm the doctor. You can let me know if I'm doing this correctly. I hope you don't throw up.
Stupid file cabinet. Now it's oil perfect. Look, I went through your charts. I know this is unorthodox. The truth is, your wife asked me to bring you in here and put a little fear got into you. You're eating too many carbs, too much processed meat. She thought maybe if I gave it to you, you'd realize for yourself how unhealthy it is.
Oh, yeah, because I feel like I've been having this irregular heartbeat lately. I was wondering if you could take a listen.
Well, I'm a lady, but I'll try to figure this thing out. Wait, I have my outros Are you attracted to me? Look, listen, I'm way over here.
Now I have 3 reasons to see you. Are they paging you? I think you have an emergency.
Let's hear it for Kirsten, Dylan, and Danny. Great job. Dylan.